This is the perfect camouflage for goldback lizards. You see it? You see it moving? There it is. It looks like the Geico geckos. Saturday night I saw a... There he is. I saw a sunset that I have to share with you. The whole horizon was this bright orange-pink color. I mean, not pink, but... Ooh, there's the other one right there. You see it? Aren't they cute? They love these bananas. They blend in so well with it. The whole horizon was like the color of the back of the lizard. Anyway, it looked like every island all the way across the horizon, and they look like the islands erupting with all the ash and everything coming out the top, and there was like a white spot in between that looked like or the sky was where the lava was coming up, and it stretched all the way across the horizon. Then above the sky part, it was all red again, just like it had filled the whole sky, every island. It was almost, and my camera was out of power. Look at him. He's just so cute, aren't they? I wish they could find a baby one for you. They probably have them up high. Anyway, when you're done with bananas, like this one, this one is kind of old, and I would normally cut it out with a hacksaw. Isn't that cute? I think they're called goldbacks. They're just beautiful. I haven't been able to hold one though, but it's okay. I don't really need to be friendly with him. So I'm not going to cut down that particular branch because he likes it. And this one over here finished its bananas and fruits, and it'll probably come down. I don't see anything living on it. When you remove the old stumps, and I had to take the stump out. I had to take that stump out too because it's leaning against the wall over there, but sorry, I'm munching on something. Well, we didn't have a tsunami from that earthquake today, which is good. There you are, little guy. How are you? Are you going to be photogenic for us? And let us take your picture? Yeah. You're adorable. We love you. You're so pretty. Whoa, that one's super long, isn't it? Look at its cute little hands. You don't know what to think about it. He says, if I hold real still, they won't know I'm really here. I wonder which one will pop out bananas next. Probably that one. Or maybe these two. That would be nice. I have to come out here and clean up all the old stuff. It saw me moving. It went and hid somewhere. Where did it go? Okay. Going to upload this. Love you all.